In today's tutorial, I will show you how to earn $800 a day with a new website. First, you need to go to this website, mindsumo.com. This is the amount mindsumo pays you just for completing each offer. And offers range anywhere from a few hundreds dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. Now, when you reach the homepage of this website, you will see many famous companies using this website to solve their problems and produce their products. And these companies can pay you more than $100,000 for every answer you write on this website. But don't worry, you don't have to write anything and you don't have to know about these topics. You just have to choose any question you like and earn money without doing any hard work. Let me show you how to create an account. So just click on login to register here and fill all your basic information. But for creative skills, making skills, and technical skills, choose high skills. In the next step, do not check the first three options. Rather, check only the last three options and click on login. So now our first step is done. Now you have to click on this button. I am a problem solver. From there, it will take you to this page. Just scroll down and click on View Control Challenges. Here you can choose any question you like. Now, don't worry, you don't have to write anything. I'm going to show you where you can get 100% plagiarism free content that can get you verified and earn you money. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So go to WriteCream.com. WriteCream is a free content writing software that writes the entire article for you. So just come to this website and register, and this will be your dashboard. As you can see, there are many options that you can choose from. But for this particular essay writer strategy, choose this one. Now just copy this from MindSumo and paste in the subject box here and click Create Idea. As you can see, within a minute, the software generated plagiarism free content for us. Now just copy and paste it into Google Doc, and then you can submit it to MindSumo and earn big money.